Welcome. We're literally walking in the dark, but you can't see anything. However, it's very what? It's very quiet. Facts. Can you see?
Oh, look at them.
So, meet you at dinner. Hi, so update. We were on our way to dinner, but they're asking for mask upon entry. And we're going to eat. So I really don't know. But in the meanwhile, we're waiting on my boyfriend to get a mask. But we're here in the dark by the waterside. And it's kind of scary. Because we're alone. Like, seriously. So, yeah. Y'all realize there's literally nothing else but the water behind us. And like trees. Yeah, and then it's like forest beyond that. However, it's really beautiful here, and I wish you guys can see it at night. However, you can't because we don't have that much light. The moon is out, but still, it's not that much light. So yeah, we had to hurry and beat ourselves, although we didn't get to beat ourselves. So anyway, tonight they will be having a bonfire and just so yeah. So beautiful. Dinner is served. Storytelling to come around the bonfire. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's a really beautiful night. The moon is out, and well, I was about to say sun, but yeah.
Back to back.
So we forgot our keys inside the room.
But why? Why did they make a room? We could lock the door.
What a night. What a night. Good morning, guys. Again, so we're going on a nature hike. So, say hi, guys.
Start by taking a slight walk through.
Just above $20 million. I love the flowers on these.
40 years of jail.
Worse.
Update. So we're literally like the group behind everyone. Not that we mind though, because we're having a ball. But whew, this is it. I feel healthy though. We lost everybody. Kinda.
Look at this.
Really did.
Walk in, walk out, let's go.
It's me breathing hard. Just be vibing.
Vibing like the lit thing.
Look at this.
Hi, babe.
Like, I can't even anymore. Oh, look at the sand. I can't even anymore. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, we're seeing monkeys.
Get up video.
We got it.
Go up.
So we made it. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So tired. Oh, but it's really beautiful. It's basically just like rustic trees. I'm so tired. So, I've just about had it. And we're heading back to the hotel. And I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. But yeah, the place is nice. No cap. But thank God the sun in.
That's hot.
So like, we took a drop because like we can't, period.
Honestly, like, not us cheating the trail. Say hi.
Give us right about here, thank you.
Look at this sun's ahead.
Yeah, I like truck, man.
Oh my god.
Breakfast time. here at the eco park, and this is so pretty, so large.
Walking, I want to know what happened at the end. I want to know what happened.
You do you.
Look how cute this is. But anyway, we're at the eco park, and it's really sad about this place.
This is the waterfront.
Yeah, and it's a campsite as well.
Yep. And we have Casey in the back having like a mini shoot going on. Yep. And we have Mina looking like Ashley.
I'm just like this because I was swimming. So.
Yes, and the water is very refreshing.
Morning, beautiful people. So last night we didn't really film because I was tired and I was just like taking in the moment, but it's morning, it's Sunday morning, and we're heading out to have breakfast. Don't mind my hair, I'm not in the mood to comb it this morning. Literally. So yeah, I don't think I'll be wearing makeup either because like I got burnt and my foundation doesn't match my skin anymore. So yeah, but it's a beautiful day. We're excited because today we're going horseback riding and we might be able to play volleyball, which I'm very excited to play volleyball and to ride a horse as well. But yeah,
Happy 1st of November, guys. So we're on our way to breakfast. We're actually late. This is supposed to be the time we go horseback riding, but we're late. And yeah, I'm hella hungry. So let's see what we could get to eat. Breakfast day 2. I had bakes. and sausages and sawfish and eggs. So yay. And we're off to home, but we have to end it with a pink flamingo and confetti. Bye. Bye.